You see on my skin how much money showing on my skin, so $72. So I have made this dollar totally free, no invest, no trading. Here I'm just doing work and taking this money from the site. So you can do that yourself. It's straightforward, it's so easy. You can do that. Not so easy, it's something. It's easy but it's hard something. It's needs some time, and you need to keeping consistency work. So today's video I will show all of things how you can do that, how you can take this money from those site. So it's a Binance, you know already. So you need to have also Telegram, Twitter. So Telegram, Twitter, and yeah, if you haven't Binance account, you just Trust Wallet is enough for you. Trust Wallet, Binance, it's similar, but Binance has a lot of feature than Trust Wallet. So how you can earn money from those sites? So you have a, okay, I'm putting on my screen this Twitter and Telegram, one of the best earning apps I would say. You can earn from cryptocurrency. These two type of apps, Twitter and Telegram. So I have ever seen Twitter. I would say it's cryptocurrency platform. So when you go Twitter, so you always seen, okay, I need to switch up my account. So as you see right now, KuCoin celebrate KuCoin sixth anniversary 1x. Update your avatar to our P-Day logo to win FLR. So 100,000 FLR, 100 winner. They are they will give this dollar 100 winner. They will randomly selected 100 people, and $100 is given to them. So you can participate in this offer, in this giveaway. So you couldn't say it's a giveaway. It's a huge amount of money. They are given 100 winner, like $10. So it's not bad at all, $10. So you just follow them, click on there. Already I have followed. So and retweet and tag to friend, something like that. Retweet and tag to friend, comment, tag to friend, something like that. I'm showing you. So it's easy to do, but you need some time for giveaway. So to friend tag, so you can do that. You need to do that professionally. I'm just showing you. If you want to write something here, it's better because of it's would be professional. So like strong project. So replay, click on there, and it's post to friend, to mention here. So it's done. So where our university avatar number 3 and fill up from. So when you complete this all of task, you just click on from link. This picture has a from link. So click on there and go and show your browser and click on the browser that's have your phone. So it's already finished this offer. So therefore this type of thing is showing no fill option here. So this offer is finished. So it I would say you need to check first from, and thereafter you will join. That's a specific offer, that's a specific giveaway. So first, what you do what would you do? Check from and then work. So not first work, that I have done. So it's meaninglessly I have done. So it's just waste time. So first of all, you will do check from that is available or not available. It has finished or it's not. So you check that and join in this offer. So okay, KuCoin is finished because it's front page, it's mine. So here is a Bitmart. So Bitmart, it's time to play Monopoly with us. Share your Monopoly wins for a chance to share 1000 USDT prize pool. So follow Bitmart exchange. I have followed that. I have already followed. Quote tweet, retweet with your screenshot and tag 3 friends. So I have seen Bitmart. I have already published Bitmart related video. You can see that on my channel. It's earlier video. You just check earlier video about Bitmart and doing Bitmart work. It's similar to KuCoin, but something like co-tweet with your screenshot thing is something complicated. You cannot do that. Maybe you can do that if you expert, if you be expert. So if you cannot, you can check my earlier video about Bitmart. So it's would be it would be perfect. So if I scroll, um, here is a salt content challenge. It's from xt.com exchange. So it's exchange exchanger like Bitmart, Binance, something like that. So participate and win prize pool of 30,000 plus salt. That has a value. When they are given this salt, you can solve you can solve instead of USDT. So you will get USDT for selling salt, and you can use USDT whatever place, Binance, whatever place. So when salt already has maybe listed, I don't know. So follow Salt Ventures. So I'm following Salt Venture. Okay, follow and like, retweet and tag 3 friend. So okay, we're doing that for showing you how you can do that. Okay, I'm like, I have done like, I have done retweet, I tag 3 friend. So randomly fucking video. So wait few minutes, I'm just beat around the bush. 2 already done, and here we say okay, done. You can write also something like about project, strong project. So okay, I have done. So share what do you love about salt. So you can just copy this. Okay, you just see other people what they do about that. So he Dot is doing something 3 friend tag, and I love salt project because the team has been working tirelessly. The project is obviously promising on, and it has a strong and creative community. You can write this type of thing about good thing about project, keep involving, we keep supporting, and use this hashtag. So you can do that. You can also copy this type of thing and add yourself something. So I'm just copy this, and you tag your specific friend. So I have it already tagged here. So okay, I'm copy this friend. I'm just showing you because video would be something so slightly long, so no problem, don't mind. I'm just showing you. Okay, I paste my friend tagging thing, and here we say copy. So replay, so done. So I have done that for copy. So it's done. Okay, I have made a mistake because I didn't check first of all form link. So okay, let's go for check it's available or not. It's my mistake. Okay, let's say what happened with us. So okay, it's available, but keep in mind you will see, you will check first from link, not fast work. See from link that's available or not, and then work. So here is a valid email address. Okay, I'm putting my email address here, so I'm just copy this here and pasting here, and name is whatever name you put, so something like that, Riz. And Twitter username, so my Twitter username something like, I'm just showing you how to do that. So I'm just putting my Twitter username, you can get that. So xt.com UID, it's maybe I have a xt exchanger, so I need to check first. Wait, I'm belonging my UID. So if you haven't xt.com exchanger, you just go Play Store or Google and search here their xt exchange. So you can got this exchange xt.com and install that and create an account, and you have got a UID from xt.com exchange, and put here this type of your UID, something like that. I'm just showing you, and you can put your Telegram handle, so I'm putting there, and click on submit. So click on submit, and your form is done for your work is done. So when they are distribute their token, by this time you can got a reward if you have chosen of them. So I'm going to again Twitter for seeing my offer. I'm a hunter right now. I need to make money. So here is a lot of money making system. If you have not seen something like this type of thing, offer, you can just search on search bar, uh, writing an airdrop or free token, something like that, and you just follow this type of group that's right now showing in front of you on my screen. So you just follow this type of thing, and you just like and something like like and what of thing you do, I mean that. So yeah, by this time it's showing of you, because of its, and every social media work is for their according to their algorithm. So if you see this kind of video, all of the post would be show you this kind of video, because it's algorithm know that you want to that. So if you want this type of offer video that's given you income, so algorithm also given you this type of video. So therefore you need to first of all do something, first of all search, and oh, to be given offer, to be treasure hunt series, Raven part 6, draw 200 USD government CC and token provide big custom. So rules, it's a retweet and cool cook within crypto industry. So Juby is, I have seen, I have seen to you about Juby video, so you can check my Juby video on my channel, so you can participate on there and getting money from there. So it's kind of interesting, you can do that. A lot of offer giving there on there. Oh man, a lot of offers they're giving. Okay, you can just participate on the Juby, Bitmart, KuCoin, Lbank, all of offer that's showing you. Twitter is giving you money, that's crypto money, so you can join like that. Okay.